Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. So today, the long-awaited follow-up video. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Subscribe if you like where this video is going. You don't even know what this video is about yet. You do, because you saw the title. I'm weird. A few months ago, I did testing out my Byte Aligners because I was thinking about getting aligners, and because I wanted to fix my teeth. So I ordered some aligners with my own money, nobody else's, with my own, and so I tested it out. That was kind of a fail, but they were actually able to, like, you know, make something shake with that of a fail. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to leave it in the cards right above me, right here, right here, right here. It's gonna be right here. So you can check out that video so you can fully get the whole spec of this journey that we're on right now. This is what I got in the mail. So yeah, it is the Byte Aligner box, and everything that you need is in this box. So it says better and better with every bite, and it has a magnetic, hold on, let me see if I can do this without like dropping everything. It has like a magnetic type of flap, which perfect. And you open it up, and so I'm just about to go over everything that goes, or that comes in the box, and how everything works. So when you open up the box, you have a pamphlet right here. It's a little like window. It kind of almost looks like a mirror, which is super cool. But it says, see, things are getting better already. And this is kind of like a reflective type of book. And this is pretty much just your manual to navigate how you use your aligners, so on and so forth, and just like everything that you need. So that's cool. And then it also gives you like a quick, like, cliff notes. Like I said in the original Byte video, these are kind of like cliff notes. So I have the Byte at night aligners because I just knew, I know myself, and I know that I would not be responsible with wearing my aligners every single day. It would not work. So I'm doing the night aligners, so you just wear the aligners when you sleep, or at least for 10 hours at a time, or 10 hours a day. So yeah, that's what I do. And I think that's a longer process, I believe, but that's okay, because I wasn't about to worry about taking them out and putting them in when I'm eating and all this other stuff. And I'm just like, if I'm asleep, I can't worry about it. So you open up the thing, and this flap actually comes down as well. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be showing you guys. But you have two things. You have one that says let's accessorize, and you also have something else that says personal aligners. So hold that thought. So you have let's accessorize, and then you have personal aligners. So I'm just gonna pull the personal aligners out. So this is the box that they come in. It's kind of like a drawer, which I think is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so you pull it out of this kind of like box right here, and it just has all of your aligners. So it looks like they told me 22 weeks, but it looks like I only have 15 in here. So it might be 15. It might just be 15 weeks, which is crazy. Like, my teeth are going to be straight in 15 weeks. Thank you, guys. Why didn't I do this sooner? like I said, you have all of these right here, and then you see I have step 1 already open because I have been using the aligners for a week. And so far so good. They are slightly uncomfortable, but that's to be expected. You know, you're shifting your teeth. You're shifting your teeth to how they're supposed to be. So yeah, like, you know, it's going to be a little uncomfortable. So with that being said, so this is pretty much, I'll show you one that's like not open. This is gonna be week 2. So I start these on Monday, and I was actually really excited because I got this package on a Monday, so I was able to start my aligners on a Monday, which is perfect for me because I'm like, okay, now every single time I start a new tray, it's always going to be at the beginning of the week. It's not going to be at some weird day or time of the week. Now moving on to the most used box in this package, and that's going to be this box that says, let's accessorize. So right here, as you can see, it's already like starting to get beat up and everything because I use this box a lot. So right now you have like a controller, and this is for the hyperbite. I'm gonna get into that in a second. The butt isn't included, but I just had an extra one. So it's gonna come like this. So really, it's honestly just like a regular USB cord. It's just gonna come like this. So I know I know y'all got some of these extra like buds or something laying around. And if you don't, you have something that has like a USB like port. I know you do. And you only use this like once a week. So right here, in here, you have your Byte tray, which is where your aligners are going to be. I'm going to open this up, and this is where these are my aligners. And all you do with the aligners, you just like pop them into your teeth. So I'll pop the bottom one in because the top one is super, super tight. So I don't pop the top ones in unless I absolutely have to. I'm just kind of like pushing down. So yeah, they can fit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can hear, it does give you some type of lisp, whatever. It's kind of a bummer for me because I already kind of have a lisp. So I'm just like, oh, so I really can't talk now. Perfect. I put those in, and then I just set these and put these away. So 2 things I want to go over when I first put them in. I put them in at night, roughly like when I'm about to go to bed. I don't put them in any time before that. So what you normally do is you brush your teeth. You're supposed to brush your teeth, floss, all that other stuff before you put your aligners in. So you're gonna do that. And then you're going to go in, after you brush your teeth, floss, all that good stuff, and then you put your aligners in, you're actually going to go in with this, which is called the hyperbite. So what hyperbite is, it's like an electronic device that you put it in your mouth and you just bite down on it, and this thing is going to vibrate. You're gonna press this button right here. It's gonna vibrate for 5 minutes. And what it is it's moving the process forward. So like it's moving your process at a more accelerated rate. So Byte is the only company with this type of technology publicly. Not to say that other like orthodontists, orthopedic is your feet, so orthodontist is not to say that other dentist people don't have this technology, because they definitely do. It's just not available to the public. But when you order your aligners, this comes automatic with your order. So it just helps you to accelerate the process, and it cuts your aligner time in half. So that's probably why I have 15 trays instead of 22 trays. Because if I wasn't using my aligners, or if I wasn't using the hyperbite, I would probably have to use, go with 22 trays instead of 15, which, let me make sure. So since I'm doing the bite at night, the only difference between the hyperbite is instead of 5 minutes, because it goes on for 5 minutes, I would do it for 10 minutes at night instead of the 5 minutes. So, and that's every night. Next thing, that's pretty much it. After I do the hyperbite, I can put everything away, I can go to sleep. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Next morning, I get up and those aligners are coming out, sweetie. But by the time that I take them out when I wake up, it's already been like 12 hours. And you're supposed to keep them in for like 10 hours at a time. So I've already had them in for 12, 13 hours. It's fine. Then after that, I take them out, and now, like, you know, you got that morning drool. You got the morning drool all over them. It's just, it's gross. So what I do is I take them out, I rinse them, and then after I do that, I put them in my tray, or I put them in this tray right here, and then I go in with this bright bite that they give you. It's a teeth whitener and it cleans the aligners. Now I don't use this particularly to whiten my teeth, but I do use this to clean my aligners. It's a liquid, but it pumps out into a foam. So you will pump some out into your aligners, and then from there you let it sit on your aligners for like 5 minutes or so, and then you will rinse them, and then just, you know, go on about your day. Just put your aligners up. So what I normally do is once I take my aligners out, I pump this with my aligners just so I make sure they're clean and ready to go for the night. And while this is like soaking on the aligners, I'll brush my teeth, I'll wash my face, do all of that. And by the time I do all of that, it's been like 10 minutes actually. So then I just rinse off my aligners, and then I just put them away, and then they're ready to go for when I go to sleep. Okay, so final thoughts. I like it. I like it a lot. I wish I would have pulled the trigger sooner. I don't know why I was acting like this was such a big deal, or, you know, it took like so much to use the aligners. And for the amount of time that I'm going to be using these aligners, 15 weeks is not a long time. That is not a long time. I don't know, how many months is that? Hold on, I'm gonna Google it. 3 months. I'm going to be wearing I'm going to be wearing these aligners for 3.5 months. That is insane. That is, yo, that's lit. That is lit. So I will be literally done with my aligners before Christmas. Like, a whole new smile before Christmas. Like, who's doing that? How is that even possible? But listen, don't take it from me. Do your own research. There's a ton of other like Invisalign, Invisaligner type companies out there. You know, Direct Smile, you have Byte, you have a whole bunch of other like smile places. So do your research, 100% do your research. Watch different reviews on Byte, everybody that you're interested in. Just watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos, because that's where you're going to learn pretty much. But yeah, I'm really excited. If you guys want to check out Byte, I'm gonna leave the website down below. So yeah, quick, I feel weird like showing you my teeth. I don't know, like but like this is week 1. This is what my teeth look like now. So I'm just gonna be like, that was weird, but okay. I mean, you guys gotta know. You gotta know what the before and the after going to look like. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, if you want me to keep doing like Byte updates, just let me know down in the comments and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.